Did you know a philosopher once threw himself into a volcano to prove he was a god? Empedocles of Sicily believed he was immortal, trapped in human form but destined for something greater. In the 5th century before Christ, he discovered the 4 elements that shaped Western thinking for 2,000 years: earth, air, fire, and water. But here's what's fascinating. His mystical beliefs didn't make him crazy. They made him brilliant. He figured out the heart pumps blood. He understood light travels at a specific speed, discoveries that wouldn't be proven for centuries. Empedocles saw the universe as an eternal dance between love and strife, forces that bring things together and tear them apart. When he leapt into Mount Etna's crater, he wasn't being reckless. He was living his philosophy completely. Most people separate their spiritual beliefs from their rational thinking. Empedocles proved they can work together. His scientific breakthroughs came because of his deeper understanding, not despite it. Sometimes the most profound wisdom comes from those brave enough to think differently. Your biggest insights might be waiting on the other side of what seems impossible.